Dear student of class 12, today in this video we are going to discuss types of isomerism of coordination compounds from the lesson coordination compounds. Now, isomerism are basically two types. First one, structural isomerism. Second one, stereoisomerism. Structural isomerism are also of four types. First one, linkage isomerism. Second one, coordination isomerism. Third one, ionization isomerism. Fourth one, hydrate isomerism. And stereoisomerism are also of two types. First one, geometrical isomerism, and second one, optical isomerism. Structural isomers have different type of bonds. That means in case of structural isomers there are different types of bond between the central metal ion and ligand each present. Examples of structural isomerism. First one, linkage isomerism. Linkage isomers arises due to the presence of ambident ligand. So here is the examples of linkage isomers. So in these two isomer, NO2 group act as a ambident ligand. In the first compound, cobalt ion directly linked with NO2 through oxygen atom, and in the second compound, cobalt ion linked with NO2 through nitrogen atom. Next one is coordination isomerism. This type of isomerism arises from the interchange of ligand between cationic and anionic entity of different metal ions present in a complex. Here is the example of coordination isomerism. Next one, ionization isomerism. In this type of isomerism, the exchange between the ligand and counter ion is taken place. Here is the example of ionization isomerism. Next one is hydrate isomerism. In this type of isomerism, water is involved as a solvent. So here is the example of hydrate isomerism. Stereoisomers have the same chemical formula and chemical bond, but they have different spatial arrangement. That means in 3 dimension, the arrangement of the ligands around the central metal ion are different. Examples of stereoisomerism. First one is geometrical isomerism. This type of isomerism arises in heteroleptic complex due to different possible arrangement of the ligands. Examples of geometrical isomerism for square planar complexes. First one is A2B2 type. Here M is the central metal ion, A and B are the ligands. So here is the example. So first one is called cis because here the symmetric group or similar group present in the same set, and second one is called trans isomer. Here the symmetrical group or similar group are present opposite side to each other. For A2BC type, here is the example. First one is cis. Here also the symmetric group is present in the same side, and in the second this is trans because here the symmetric group are present opposite to each other. For MABCD type, here is the 3 examples. Examples of geometrical isomerism for octahedral complexes. For MA4B2 types, here are the examples. First one is cis isomer and second one is trans isomer. For MA3B3 types, here are the example. First one is facial and second one is meridional. Optical isomerism. Optical isomers are mirror images that cannot be superimposed on one another. That means the optical isomers are non-superimposable mirror image of one another. For MAA3 type isomer, here AA represent the bidentate ligand where the donor atom of this ligand are same. Here is the example. Here ethylene diamine is act as a ligand. Here in ethylene diamine, two nitrogen are present at the two end which are acting as a donor atom. So here are the examples of optical isomers of MAA3 types complex. Here first one is the non-superimposable mirror image of the second one. That's why these two are optical isomers. For MAA2B2 type, here are the example, and for MAA B2C2 type, here are the example. So these are the examples of optical isomerism. Students, I hope you have understood this video. Read your textbook and try to build a clear concept on this topic. Thank you.